Hello, today let's put on this really nice looking and good matching wrist orthosis. Yeah, that's the way it is. Here in this case, it's the JuzoPro Manu. It's made out of inelastic materials with adjustable, partly removable reinforcing elements. Immobilizes the breath in at least two movement directions. We open all Velcro fasteners and we slip our hand into the orthosis so that the Velcro fastener are on top and our thumb protrudes from the opening provided for it. First, we fasten the central Velcro, or for the long model, fasten the two medium Velcros, of course. Then we secure the Velcro across the hand. And of course, finally, we secure the fastener on the forearm. Then we move the circular strap around the wrist and we push it through the plastic strap. Then we pull it back over it and close the Velcro fastener. Proper fit of our orthosis is ensured if it firmly encloses the wrist without exerting undue painful pressure. We can easily put on our JuzoPro Manu correctly, as you can see. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. We only wear our orthosis when prescribed by our physician, okay? Medical aids should only be disposed by suitable trained staff of medical produce suppliers. Sun sun!